Inspiration for my work comes from the time I spend outdoors. This means that being away from the studio is actually a critical part of my work process. The actual making, though, brings me indoors for long hours of hand building, sculpting, and carving surface designs. This is the piece I'm working on right now. I've built the vessel by coiling, and I'm in the process of carving apple blossoms into the surface. There will be a few more stages of adding color, and then a long drying process before this piece gets fired. This is as far as I've gotten after a couple of weeks of work. I always work freehand, so every piece is one of a kind. And then it's back outdoors for new inspiration. Thanks for visiting!